Welcome friends, in this one let's answer this question. This is question 18 from the 1997 AP Calculus BC multiple choice section on parametric equations. What values of t does the curve given by the parametric equation x equals t cubed minus t squared minus 1 and y equals t to the fourth plus 2t squared minus 8t have a vertical tangent? Well, the answer is C, 0 and 2/3, but let's see why. So when vertical tangents occur, that means you have division by 0. In other words, you have to exclude values from the derivative that lead to division by 0. As an example, then, dy dx is defined for parametric equations as dy dt over dx dt. So that means here you're going to differentiate y with respect to t. Doing so will give us the following. Remember that this is right here. This is your y. You have to differentiate that, put that in the numerator. So it's going to be 4t cubed plus 4t minus 8. That's dy dt. dx dt is right here. So we're going to have to differentiate that and put that in the denominator. So it's going to be 3t squared and then minus 2t. Now you have to pick out the values that lead to division by 0. So to do that, you take 3t squared, which is the denominator, minus 2t, and you set it equal to 0. And then you just solve that. So it's going to be the following then. T on the outside, and then left within the parentheses, you will have 3t minus 2, set equal to 0 the entire time. So t is 0 or t is equal to 2/3. Those are the then values that you exclude because they lead to division by 0. As a bit of enrichment, keep in mind that this expression right here, this is just a rational expression. So what you could do officially is, besides just answering this question, you could answer some other questions as a review. So this is what I mean. Just graph it. Just punch this in here. I'm going to do that right now. Take this, punch it in. That's your derivative. Graph it. And take a look. It's just a rational function, so you can study it like you study any other rational function. Let me just zoom out here. For example, what you see is the following. That 0, well, 0 is right here. You see, this is a vertical asymptote. So the derivative has a vertical asymptote at 0. That means that dy dx is not defined there. In other words, there's a vertical tangent line. At the other value of 2/3, again, the derivative has a vertical asymptote. Remember, that means that the derivative is not defined, which means the equations there have a vertical tangent. Also notice that, for example, 1 corresponds to a root. At t equals 1, the derivative is equal to 0. T equals 1 right there, which means that the parametric equations have a horizontal tangent line. That's all I'm going to say here. So thank you, friends. Please leave a like. Please subscribe. I will see you in another video.